Hey tech enthusiasts, ever run out of battery at the worst time? Then you need to see the Anker PowerCore 20,000 milliamp hours, your ultimate power solution that charges an iPhone over 6 times. This isn't just any portable charger, it's a game changer for anyone on the go, making it one of the best electronics for 2025. Its massive 20,000 milliamp hours capacity means you can power multiple devices for days without needing a wall outlet. But what truly makes it special is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest possible charge every single time. No more slow charging frustrations. Just plug in and experience optimal speed effortlessly. With dual USB ports, you can conveniently charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing power with a friend or powering your phone and tablet. It's an absolute must-have for travel, camping, or just busy daily life. If you're looking to buy a reliable, long-lasting power bank, this Anker PowerCore 20,000 is an unbeatable choice. Check out the description below for the Amazon link to grab yours today and never worry about a dead battery again. Seriously, for incredible power, speed, and versatility, I wholeheartedly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20,000 milliamp hours.